To change your address on the NatWest app, follow these steps. Open the NatWest app. Launch the NatWest mobile banking app on your smartphone. Log in using your security credentials, such as your PIN, fingerprint, or Face ID. Go to the More section. Once logged in, tap the More option, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Profile. In the More section, tap on Profile. This is where you can view and update your personal details. Choose Personal Details. Under the Profile section, look for the Personal Details option. Tap on it to see your current address and other contact information. Update your address. Tap the Edit button next to your address. Enter your new address information. Double-check the accuracy of your details. Confirm changes. After entering the new address, review the information and confirm the update by tapping Save or Submit. Confirmation. You should receive a confirmation within the app that your address has been successfully updated. You may also receive an email from NatWest for verification.